In this video we will be demonstrating how to use the scale command, and we will be demonstrating this inside of the student edit commands worksheet. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to roll into the area that says scale, and notice it says scale all objects by 1.5. Use mid between 2 points as base point. So we want to make these objects look like these objects in size. So I'm going to type in scale. I hit escape. I could also go up and select scale. Okay, so all of these commands up here, they all pretty much work the same. You type in the command or you select the icon, it asks you to select the object. So I'm going to do that. And of course you can select more than one object, so it's waiting for you to tell it you're done selecting objects. You can do that by clicking on the right mouse button, or you can hit enter, either way. Now because this is a circle, we can very easily click on the center point because it's asking us to select base point. And the base point is, where do you want to scale this object from? So if I scaled it down here, the object would get bigger moving in this direction up. If I clicked here, it'd scale in this direction over here, and you get the point. So if I click in the center, it will scale from the center. It won't move the object, it'll just get bigger from that center point. Now of course, like many commands, I can arbitrarily just select a size, just pick a non-strategic point. But it told us down here, right in this area, that it wants me to type in 1.5 for the scale factor, because AutoCAD is asking me, hey, specify scale factor. So I'm going to type 1.5, hit enter. Spacebar brings me back into the scale command. I'm going to click on this guy. This is a geometric object, so I could click on the geometric center, but it wants me to go shift right click and select mid between 2 points. So let's go 1, 2, and click with that between those 2 points now, which selects the geometric center. And again, I can just pick a non-strategic point, but it wants me to use 1.5, so I'm going to click 1.5. Spacebar brings me back into the command, says select the objects, right click or hit enter. I could click the geometric center, but it wants us to shift and right click and click mid between 2 points. Again, I could pick a non-strategic point, but it wants me to put in a strategic number of 1.5. And that's how you use the offset command in this worksheet.